Alright, it's time for my van tour. This is my van. All the work I put into it. It's taken some time, but I've got it pretty darn well right now. So as you can see, everything in here I built myself. I didn't take it to anybody, have them build anything for me. I literally built it myself. I got all my kitchen stuff right up here. Then up over here I got bathroom stuff. This over here is just stuff for like miscellaneous stuff for building my van. Way up over there is my keto cereal. And then below it, right there, is more of my bathroom stuff, utensils, whatnot. This is my couch. I sit here and watch my laptop, which is that blue thing right there. And then at nighttime, this right here folds up and turns into a bed. Okay, and then that over there is my refrigerator. Let me show you here. Okay, that's my fridge. It could be a fridge freezer, but I prefer just to use it as a fridge because, you know, it's better to have more cold stuff than frozen stuff. Plus, on top of that, when you use a freezer, it really uses your batteries a lot. So I prefer not to do that. But there's my sign. This sign actually lights up at nighttime and stuff. Let me just show you here. Oh, where's it at? There it is. See? My van life adventure. Okay. That's my portable toilet, so when I'm out in the middle of nowhere, I have a toilet. And here's just a quick look around up here. These right here are little power banks. See there, you can plug in a 110 into there, and it's good for up to 100 watts. Here's all my kitchen stuff, all my food, right there. And up here is my bathroom stuff. I still got a space right here to put more things up there, but I just haven't gotten to that yet. And then, let me see if I can show you how this bed works. Let me bring this over here. And I'll set this up right here. Hopefully this works. This comes up like this. These legs screw in here like this. And then I got 3 more that go down there and down here at the other opposite end. And that's how that's done. And then in daytime, I just take it down. I got my couch. All right. All right, so see if I can show you from the other angle, maybe. And this here is my jerry can of water, 5 gallons of water. Keep it right there because it sits perfectly right there in the walk well. And then underneath the couch there, I got plenty of storage up underneath there. This here is my tools and stuff too. And one more look from this angle. And that's my home. Hope you enjoy. Bye for now.